Smart touch screen control panel. Control panel. Laser beams are to get accurate positioning and improve working efficiency. Pneumatic valve. Special base. T-shirt can insert into bottom platen. Turn on machine. Language setting. Set temperature. Set time. Setting auto delay time. Manual mode. Press right star or left star to move heating platen. Automatic mode. Heating platen will auto press and auto release when time is up and auto move. Place T-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time is up, heating platen will go up. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.